Did you know that over 85 million jobs could disappear in the future because of AI? And what will happen then? Which jobs can AI replace? In this video, I will answer all these questions for you. But let's start from the beginning, in the present.
Let's go.
Even today, AI has already replaced many jobs.
It's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
And even though we don't always realize it, artificial intelligence is more around us more often than we think. Social media, navigation and transportation, banking and finance, advertising, e-shops, customer service, disease diagnostics, autonomous cars, drones, robots and technology. And that's not even everything. AI also helps me create YouTube videos, and not just me, but thousands of different channels. It can help you too, not only with content creation, but also in many other fields. But at the same time, it can also replace you in your job, right? If you're afraid of ending up working as a cashier, you don't have to worry. With advanced technology, this position will be replaced by artificial intelligence faster than we realize. Along with jobs in warehouse, cleaning, assembly work in manufacturing, or even simple construction work. These mechanical jobs are the most at the risk, but I don't think many people will miss them. After all, we still have jobs like accounting, customer support or legal analysis, right? Unfortunately, many people in these roles will also lose their jobs. Robots are robots, they work 24/7, even with charging. They don't require monthly salaries from employers, and they work faster and more accurately. Mechanical and administrative jobs are the most at risk due to financial factors, time efficiency and AI advancement. But what about jobs that require strategy or creativity? As we know, what sets human apart from artificial intelligence is creativity, morality, emotions, empathy, and senses. If you sometimes feel disappointed or sad, AI can help, but nothing compares to love and a genuine hug. Or the rush of adrenaline. If we look at the role of teachers, AI could replace the teaching process, but teachers also play a huge role in raising children, and that's what separates humans from AI. However, when it comes to jobs like graphic design, video editing or music production, AI won't be able to fully replace them anytime soon, at least not at the same level as a passionate human who truly enjoys and cares about their work. But the ones who can be the happiest are artists, stand-up comedians, marketing experts, judges, and most importantly, doctors, nurses, and psychologists. These jobs are the least at risk of being replaced by AI. And what do you think? Is AI a threat or just an amazing tool for humanity? Do you think we should get used to it and develop it for our benefit, making it useful in places where it's needed most, like during disasters or crises? Write your thoughts and answers in the comments. And let me know what you want the next video to be about. Maybe we'll meet again in a future video based on your idea.